Sir, this is a pneumatic crimping machine. We will teach you how we will change the die from this machine. You can see that here is a two bolts which we have to open with the help of Allen key. You can see that it is removed. Same thing you have to do with upper mold. It is removed. Now you have to feed new one. You can check how it can be done. You have to insert it and tight the bolt. And insert here. And tight the bolt. At the time of change the dies, you should have to cut off the pressure ball, so pressure will not come onto the die. If anyone accidentally press foot pedal, it will not crimp. Okay, thank you, sir.